Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to discuss about a new proposed medical college in Karnataka for the academic year 2021-22. The full name of this college is KLE Jagadguru Gangadhar Mahaswamigalu Mooru Savirmat Medical College and Hospital. KLE Jagadguru Gangadhar Mahaswamigalu Mooru Savirmat Medical College and Hospital. Okay. Even telling the name of the medical college seems to be much more difficult than clearing NEET exam. Anyway, this college is located at Hubli or Hubballi in Karnataka. And this is affiliated to the deemed university, KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research, Belagavi. Of course, this deemed university already have a medical college, which is known as Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College and popularly known as JN Medical College Belagavi or JLN Belagavi, right? This is the second medical college under this deemed university. Now, what we will look at in this particular video, we will look at the approval from NMC, whether this particular college is already approved or not approved. We will look at the number of seats available in this college. We will look at who is the counseling authority, where should you apply to get a seat in this college. We will look at what is the college fees, and we will also look at what is the fees for the hostel in this particular college. So first of all, this is a letter posted in the college website. So this letter you can see here, this is from National Medical Commission or NMC, Medical Assessment and Rating Board, MARB, undergraduate section, dated 13th October 2021. So the letter is addressed to the Dean Jagadguru Gangadhar M College. Okay, I don't want to pronounce the full name. You can see here the subject is starting of MBBS course with 150 seats at Jagadguru Gangadhar Mahaswamigalu Medical College, Hubli, Karnataka, under the KLE Academy, right? And below you can see here, we convey that your application for starting of new medical college with 150 MBBS seats was approved for the academic year 2021-22. Okay, so you can see here, it says clearly that the permission was given, right? It is permitted for 150 MBBS seats. So it's very clear, NMC has given the permission to start admission this year for this particular college. Now let us look at, so KLE JG M College, Hubli, Karnataka, it is going to have 150 seats, most likely to have 85% general management seats and 15% NRI seats. As of now, I'm not sure whether it is going to offer any seats to the Karnataka state, because many of the deemed universities in Karnataka, they do provide some seats to the Karnataka state government for Karnataka residents. But as of now, it's not very clear whether it will offer some seats. But as per the website, it says only the admission will be done by Medical Counseling Committee, MCC. So if that is going to be the final procedure, then all the 150 seats will be available for all India candidates. Okay. But anyway, bulk of these seats will be available under the Medical Counseling Committee under MCC, All India Counseling. So all India candidates can participate and get a seat in this particular college through registration with mcc.nic.in. So let's look at what is the fee structure in this college. Okay. The fee structure they have kept reasonably low compared to a lot of other deemed universities. So the fee structure for general management seats is going to be 14.35 lakhs per year. So the first year only you need to pay 14.4 lakhs. From the second year onwards, it will be 14.35 lakhs in the second year, third year and fourth year. In the final year, you will be paying 7.2 lakhs, which is half the fees of the normal annual fees. So that is the total fee structure in the college. Then the fee structure for NRI students, the first year it is about $40,000 US. And from the second year onwards, it's 38,500 US dollars per year. And then the final year, it will be 19,250 US dollars. So that is the fee structure for NRI candidates. And finally, the fee structure for the hostel, both boys and girls, the fee structure is the same. Both the room type is same. It will be a double sharing attached bathroom. The admission fees is 200 rupees. Caution deposit is 30,000 rupees. Yearly rent is 1,08,000. So the first year you will be paying 1,38,200, but the second year onwards it will be 1,08,000. And this 1,08,000 includes the room rent as well as the mess charges. So the mess will cover the breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, and then dinner. So it will be covering the entire day's meal. So totally you will be paying 1,08,000 for the hostel. So 14.35 lakhs plus 1,08,000. So approximately we are talking about the expenses at 15.5 lakhs per year. So add a little bit more, maybe around 16 lakhs per year will be the total cost to study in this college, most likely, right? If you have some personal expenses, that's okay. That may be slightly more, but roughly you will be spending about 15.5 lakhs to the college. And then even if you add a little bit more for yourself, so we are talking about around 16 lakhs per year. Okay, so this is a new college. Tell me whether you will be interested in this college, whether you will be applying for this college in the comments below. Let me try to understand what do you feel about this college, right? Thank you. Bye-bye.